All right. I got another unboxing to do, and then I'm gonna make some more cold brew. So the other day, I put on Facebook asking, or I put a post up that had a cold brew brewer on it. It said, if anybody wants to send me anything, this is what you need to send me. Well, one of my friends from before the Army that is in the Army with me, previously known as JT, now known as Staff or Sergeant First Class Thompson, hit me up, sent me a message asking for my address. So I sent it to him, and here it is. So this is the True Leaf Cold Brew Maker. So let's pop it out. Oh, wow, it's got directions. This is gonna be complicated. Yeah, I'm gonna make some cold brew, buddy. That was my 2-year-old asking me if I was gonna make some cold brew, which I am. So this is the cold brew maker as it comes packaged. It's got some Hugo coffee days in it. We'll be trying that because you know I'm all about trying new free coffee. And it came with the instructions. So I'm gonna get this set up and, well, get it open up, read the instructions, and get us some cold brew brewing for in the morning. Okay, so this is everything it comes with. It comes with the big glass jar, the lid with filter, and lid with O-ring, and a filter with the O-ring. The O-ring was tucked down in there. All I've done so far is take the O-ring out and top it off. So I just read the instructions. I put 4 ounces of coarsely ground coffee in here. Set that right there and fill it up with water. Put this lid on it without the O-ring and let it steep for 24 hours at room temperature. And then when you're ready to drink your coffee, take this out, get rid of your beans, put your lid with O-ring back in, and it says it will keep for 1 week in the refrigerator. So that's pretty good. You can make a half gallon of cold brew here and you're good to go for a week. So let's get the system set up and running. I'm pretty excited. So they send this cold brew out with a Hugo Dark Days cold brew bag of coffee. It's 4 ounces, which is exactly what you need. It's like they thought of this before. I don't know if you can see down in there. No, you really can't. I'm sorry. There it is. But your coffee for a cold brew needs to be a very coarsely ground to keep it inside the filter. So there it goes in the filter. Look at that. Smells very delicious. It's a shame I gotta wait 24 hours to drink it. So coffee is in the filter. So far so good. None's leaked out. We'll set like that. And we will fill this thing with water. It doesn't give an exact amount of water, which is kind of annoying to me because I'm kind of an exact amount guy, but it says place the filter in a half-gallon mason jar, which it came with a filter gasket on, and top with water. So I'm gonna assume that means top with water. I'll tell you what, since you can dilute cold brew to your own taste preferences, ignore the dirty dishes. I'm gonna put it to where it comes up. Hey, baby. over the coffee in the filter. Yeah, you don't have school today, honey. So that's my daughter. She just woke up. Good morning, Ella. What, babe? Chris is staying the night at his friend's house, but when he gets back, you do. You excited? Are you? So those of you that don't know, we have 5 beautiful children. So anytime I'm doing a video, you are likely to hear one of them come in and talk. And you know what? They're awesome and they make the world go round. So here is my cold brew all set up, running through the filter. Look at that, that's gonna be delicious. And we're gonna let it set for 24 hours, and tomorrow I will do a cleanup and give it a taste. All right, bye. Okay, here it is 24 hours later, and we're about to take this strainer out and try some of this new cold brew. So that strainer right there, and I'll get some ice and everything. We will give that a drink. No. So here's a little sip of the cold brew that I just made. Thanks again, JT, Sergeant First Class Thompson. We're gonna see how it tastes. Now that's some good, strong coffee. I like it. I may not even dilute it. It's just strong. Oh my God, it's so good. Look at that. Looks pretty filtered too. Let the kids say hi.
Hi.
Say good morning.
Good morning. I'm going to tell you.
Hold on. Say hi. Say good morning.